Alright, so today has been a very, very weird start. I had to wake up and then do the Zerv video, mostly because I crashed 5 minutes before I was gonna do it. So there's that, and then I had to wake up and I have like a hair. What is this? Hold on, what the? It's like a hair stuck to my face. Ugh. Oh my God. All right, well, yeah, we're about to go eat, so 2 seconds. Then I'll show you food from Mexicans.
Try and pick it up. Try and pick it up. Go ahead. Take a bite.
It's not gonna break. Just do it.
So, slap this.
Oh my God. Failed. I thought it was gonna be like a round taco shell or something. Yeah, that's the new thing.
My nice vegetarian meal.
Okay. Mine too, but I can't pick it up.
Oh, look, flies everywhere. Follow buddies.
So we're in the behemoth. Just us right now. We're waiting for everyone else. Yeah, it is hot. Let's put on some air. My hat is awesome. It's from ACL, which is Austin City Limits. I started a tradition my sophomore year of college that I'm gonna start going every year. I went this last year, I'm going this year. I'm really excited because Mumford & Sons is gonna be there, and I've loved them since high school, and I don't care if you do or not because they're freaking awesome. But I have to get my tickets, but I'm debating on waiting to get VIP or Platinum, just because so much nicer. Whoa, hey, whoa, calm down, child. Who is this boy? Who is this boy on the car? Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Hi. Fugitive. By the way, don't tell the police I'm a fugitive.
There's a police of a fugitive. That kid dough. All right, they're coming to our house. We're gonna hang out for a little bit.
Wait, they are?
I don't know.
I'm stupid. I don't know why you're asking me.
They are.
Ah!
Oh, dude, get off the food.
I'm sorry.
What? That's my food. It's my vegetarian food.
I'm gonna smash it on your head.
Oh, well, then you're gonna have to find me more vegetarian food.
Okay. Just go to ATV. It's right there.
So it recently flooded here, and they're letting this water out, and it's hitting the bridge right there. It's freaking ridiculous. Look at this. I used to work at this place right here next to us, and as you can see, the water it's hitting the building.
What?
Look, it's hitting the trees. That was never that way. Like, literally these trees right here in front of us, the water was lower than that on both sides. It is ridiculous down here. Guys, I have a dilemma. I lost the tripod. It's not there. It's not in there. It's not in there. Ooh, chips. It's not in there. I know it's not in there. It's not in there. I know I didn't put it in the closet. Damn it, where is it? Wait, I think I know where it is. Hey! Hey! You shut up! Where is it? Son of a bi- I remember now. The lights are still on. Yeah. Aha! Tripod! We're back in business, baby! I can just hold me really far away.
Can't walk it.
Hurry up! We're waiting on you. Where'd my glasses go? I lost my glasses now!
Just restart school.
I did deserve it.
Where's the other one? Only one shot.
He's in my bed. He's gonna kill people. Warning you guys. No, they're not eating this.
There's a computer over here. Use your head.
I don't have one! That's it.
Camera guy.
So I got some work done. I worked out a little bit too. And then I took a shower. And then we had a little visitor. He's, what's he? Little Gay Boy 3000, right? Hey, hold on. Little Gay Boy 3000, come back. Hold on. Wait. They want to see you. Little Gay Boy. Hey, get the dogs inside. Right now. Do it. What?
What, the girl?
Because their eyes.
Get the fuck away from me.
What's wrong? What's wrong, bro? You angry? You mad, bro? Bro, you mad? You mad, bro? Alright. You driving your little truck? Huh? Look at that little ass thing. That baby truck right next to my mom's behemoth.
Hey, mine doesn't.
You're right, because you can't compensate either.